Hey guys, welcome again in my new video. As you saw in thumbnails, today's video is fully dedicated to unlock any Android smartphone's PIN pattern and password lock. And if you are watching this video, then I am sure that your phone is locked due to forgotten PIN pattern and password lock. So don't worry at all, watch this video properly till the end and your smartphone will be unlocked at the last of this video. If my previous video didn't work on your smartphone and your smartphone could not unlock, then don't worry. By the new method what I am going to give in this video, your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely, but watch this video properly till the end only. Okay. Further in this video, I will also tell you how can you remove your PIN lock, pattern lock, password lock, fingerprint lock, face lock without any computer, without any PC, without any software, and lastly without any data loss. Yes my friends, your photos, videos and documents will be available in your smartphone. Okay, then before reveal this method, there are some important things that you have to take care of it. The first thing is that your phone should not battery charge less than 30%. Otherwise, whatever data you have in your smartphone can be deleted. So before starting this method, you should full battery charge your phone at least 30%, or else you can charge your phone at the time of use this method to unlock your smartphone. Okay. One of the most important thing I would like to tell you that this method is updated every month. So if your mobile will not unlocked with this method, then take help of my older videos and my upcoming videos, and for this you must subscribe our YouTube channel. And if your smartphone will be unlocked with this help of this video, then do like the video. This gives us a lot of encouragement to make the next video to help you further. Okay, understand that? First of all, whenever your mobile is locked, you should not worry at all and work with a cold mind. Watch this video properly till the end. Only then you will be able to unlock your mobile password lock by fully learning the method mentioned in it and applying it to your locked smartphone. Now you have to use that code, use a code to close all your mobile background running applications. Okay, then you have to use the offline mode for this, and in this offline mode, first of all you have to click on emergency call option from here. When your emergency call option comes, I am telling you a secret code, and you have to use that code, and this code is *# 46363 *1255 *111 and #, and this is the background running application closed code. So you have to call this code for 3 times. When you are starting the calling, a call failed message pop up in your mobile screen. You have to ignore this message to click OK. You have to repeat this message 2 times again, means totally 3 times and 3. Okay my friends, and now after completing this process, you have to clear this code from this page. Okay, the offline mode in your smartphone may not have been fully activated yet. You still have one process left, and that process is now you have to put your smartphone in airplane mode from these shortcuts, meaning now the flight mode of your handset has to be activated. With activating it, your smartphone will go completely in offline mode. Now you have completed a stage, and now you have to take a new and most important steps here. Now you have to activate the master unlocking mode of your smartphone. It is also called engineer mode in the language of our service center. Now you have to use a code to open engineer mode page, and this code is *899 and #, means *899 and #, and as you will by clicking on the last # button, the engineer mode page will be activated in your smartphone's home screen. The page of master locking will come in your smartphone. Okay, now you have to take some important steps here. As you are looking at the number 5 options here, it is showing you the software version. Now you have to open this software version option, and here you will now see many options here, but you have to find a option which is named Android version, and you can see that this is the Android version and this is Android version 12. Okay, it has to be clicked as many times as it is written here, meaning if you are seeing here Android version 12 here, 10 here, 11 here, 13 here, then you have to click it for 10 times, 11 times, 12 times and 13 times. So you have to start this process. If your you can see that this Android version is 12, so I have to click it for 12 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, as soon as this process of yours will be completed, now you have to come back from this page. After this, now you have to click on option above it, that is a manual test option on number 4. Now you have to open this option. Now some new pages will come in your smartphone like that. Now you have to go to the last page which belongs to other by swiping it from the sidebar, and now you can see that also this is the other option page, and now you will see total 5 options here. You have to work in these options very carefully. First of all, you have to click on the database version on number 4 or mainboard version for 10 times only. So you have to complete this process. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, now after completing it, you have to click on the option given here on number 2 option. This is read write important log test. You have to open it for 4 time. Okay, 4 time. First 3 time you have to click it and click it again on cancel option. You have to repeat the same process for 2 times again, yani ki totally 3 times. Cancel, repeat the same process for 3 times, and but in the 4th time you have to repeat the same process, but you don't click cancel button, you have to click it OK button. Now you will see here your mobile password has gone to the reset mode. Now all you have to do is apply one last method and your smartphone will be unlocked today. Now you have to go back to the device debugging page, and this is the device debugging page, and here you will seeing many options here, but you have to find an option which is named sensor self test and calibration. You have to open this option also, and now you will many options here also, and here all the options are in default not started mode. You have to start it automatically by touching it like that, and here you will get a message of a test pass message here. If your test pass message has come, then your work is done, but if you still don't see any test pass message here and the failure message is coming in all options, so understand till now your test pass will not come here. We'll keep doing this process again and again like that. Click and wait for test pass until your test pass message come. By the way, you will click on the home button here, and you can see that your mobile is completely unlocked and without any computer and without any PC, without any software and without any photos, videos and data loss of your smartphone. In this way you can unlock any Android smartphone at your home in just only 2 minutes. If your mobile is still not unlocked in this way, so in that case you can comment us by subscribe our YouTube channel. Our team will definitely reply to your comment in just only 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so that you will be also able to unlock your mobile's PIN, pattern and password lock. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.